Benignans. Did you know that at Benigno V. Aldana National High School, you won't just have learned, but you also have a lifetime supply of memories. Here, it's not just the books that are open, but also the heart of our teachers too, ready to help you. So let's study together, laugh together, and be Benignans.
Greetings to all aspiring students here at Benigno V. Aldana National High School. We believe every dream matters. Join us as we explore the strand that will empower you to become a leader, an innovation, and a proud Benignan.
Hi, we are proud students of Benigno V. Aldana National High School.
Are you ready to take the strand to face your passion to reach your dreams?
Let us tell you about the strands we offer here.
For those who love science, technology, engineering, and math, the STEM strand is your best choice. You'll get to explore experiments, solve complex problems, and prepare for careers in medicine, engineering, IT, and more.
If you love exploring human stories, culture, and societies, the UM strand is for you. Here, you can develop your critical thinking, communication, and leadership. Perfect for your future career and education, social science, and arts.
If you're interested in business management and entrepreneurship, the ABM strand will prepare you for the world of finance, marketing, and business operations. With hands-on projects and real-world applications, you'll be ready to lead and innovate.
Good day, everyone. If you're passionate about computers, programming, and digital technology, the ICT strand is perfect for you. Learn coding, networking, multimedia skills that open doors to the fast-growing tech industry.
You love cooking, baking, or working hotel and restaurants? The HE strand brings you to culinary art, housekeeping, and hospitality management.
Interested in electronic, automotive, or industrial maintenance? The AIM strand teach you a new skill repairing and maintaining machine and equipment. A great path for technical careers.